I'm Rob, and if you're watching this, you're probably a farmer like me. Welcome to Aeroview. I've been using this software to manage my farm for months now, and I'm here to show you around. Once you've created your farm, named it and chosen your crop type, the rest is easy. Aeroview picks up your geographic location, so if you're on site, your farm will appear on screen. Otherwise, you can just type in your farm's location and it will show up on the map. Draw a boundary line around your entire farm, including all of your fields, and we'll try identify your individual fields. If your fields aren't automatically identified, draw individual boundary lines around each field. Once this is done, you'll get 2 years of historical satellite data for those fields. Then specify your field details by filling out the table. Now that you have full access to Aeroview, here are the first steps you should take. Click the Monitor Crop Performance tab and see how healthy your fields are. Use the scale on the bottom to find weaker areas in the field. Now you'll want to find those weak spots in the field, so let's plan a scout. Go to the Aeroview dashboard where you'll find your scout planner and click the plus sign to add a new mission. Plot the points on the map that are under stress. Give the scout a name and then save it. I added more scouts by repeating this process. All you need to do now is download the Aeroview Scout app on your mobile phone, which is included in your monthly Aeroview subscription. Your planned scouting missions will show up, allowing you to find and start fixing problem areas quickly. The data and insights I gained from Aeroview have helped me keep my fields pest and disease-free, which was vital in producing my biggest yield in years. Finally, it's time you see what drones can do for your farm. Switch out of your current farm by clicking this button. Select the Drone Demo Farm, an example of how drone data has been applied to someone else's farm. Click Monitor Crop Performance, then select Drone instead of Satellite. Click Visual Map Layers to show the actual photographs taken using the drone. Under Tree Data, choose which metrics you'd like to see. The drone data gives you insights about tree health, height, volume, and canopy area. See you in the field.